Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name's AD. This is the car. Just a quick informational video, I guess, a little guide. It should only take a couple of minutes, but today we are going to be fitting a replacement cabin filter. It goes underneath the dash down there. I'll show you where it goes right now. We should be wrapped up in under 2 minutes. Hopefully you can see it a little bit at the back underneath the dash. It's a plastic holder. It's got two grips on it. One's lower on the left hand side, one's slightly higher on the right, but you can just pinch it. So you get to the one side, get to the other, give it a squeeze. And that pulls the cover off. You should be able to just reach in and pull the old pollen filter out. There you go. Grimy, mouldy, probably hasn't been changed in its life. Right, and then after lots of faffing and fiddling, though it did only take about 3 or 4 minutes, you get it into place. You have to push it in. The filter wheel claps a little bit as you're pushing it in. It will pop out once it goes back into the housing, and then you just refit the cover. Job's a good one.